Hello everyone, this is Shoab and today in this video I'm going to tell you the tips to make your daily routine. Actually, daily routine plays an important part when you learn English. So, if you want to learn how to form daily routine, you must be using present simple tense, which is the basis of your daily routine. So let's understand how you can just form your sentences on the basis of present simple. Here are some quick subject and verb I have given so that you can understand. Let's suppose we have I, we and you along with two names. अगर ये ऐसा कोई आपको पैटर्न मिलता है तो आपको सिंगल वर्ब के साथ जाना है, मीन्स आपको जोड़ना नहीं है एस और ई एस. ओके, सो लेट मी टेल यू, आई टीच यू इंग्लिश फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you learn English, we learn English. And for the two names, if you have Jack and Brian for the example, so you have to say Jack and Brian go to the market. So here I have written Jack and Brian and just go, so you have to use go only. Okay, now the next thing I would like to tell you, if you get other than this, means I'm talking about he, she, it or any single name, so you have to go with the verb with additional s or es. For example, he learns English, she learns English, or it talks. Or as I have told you, if you are using one name, so you have to go with the verb with s or es. So you have one name here, that is Jack only. So Jack, you can form a sentence that Jack bazaar jata hai, so you can say Jack goes to the market. So don't say Jack go to the market because it will be an error, because it is not what you have to use. You have to say Jack goes to the market. So I think so you have got little idea how can you use present simple tense to make your daily routine or to form sentences on the basis of your daily routine. So let me also tell you, आप अपने डेली रूटीन को बनाने के लिए यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि जो आप करते हो दिन भर में, मतलब रेगुलर बेसिस पे जो काम करते हो, वो आप सारे सेंटेंस यूजिंग प्रेजेंट सिंपल फॉर्म कर सकते हो और दैट वोंट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, बिकॉज simple present tense is used to form your daily routine or daily sentences. I think so you have understood or got these points. And if you have any query or if you want to ask something, just comment and let me know. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Have a great day.